What's up guys, welcome to AE Metals. This is my introduction video, and today I received two packages, one from BARZ, one from APMEX, and I didn't see any videos of this specific bar online. The only place I saw it was on their website, and they didn't have a video, they only had pictures, so I thought I should make a video on it for anybody that's actually interested in this bar. And from APMEX, I ordered a couple maple leafs, which I'm sure you guys are all familiar with. So let's take a look at the maple leafs. We're not gonna look for too long, but these are 2018. Yeah, you guys all know what these look like, so just get that out the way. And let's get into what everybody really wants to see. This was the Game of Thrones White Walker Night King, for anybody that watches that show. Move this out the way. And man, does that look nice. Usually the pictures look a little bit better, but it actually looks better in person. This is the front of it. 4 ounce. So, for anybody that's wondering how much I paid for this, the retail price was about $120. And after total or tax and shipping, it was about $134. And spot right now is about $18 per ounce. So that's not really the best price, but since it's a novelty bar and not like a generic type of thing, like you gotta expect to pay some premiums. And wow, this just look amazing. I'll be uploading weekly, so if you're interested in looking at different pieces that aren't on the internet right now or on YouTube, be sure to give me a sub, like the video, and hit that bell to stay updated with all future videos. And until next time, thanks for watching.